Hey guys, it is me, Cooper the YouTuber, and don't mind the thing that's in the background that you can hear. It's a cartoon. There's a cartoon playing, so don't mind that. So yeah, we are the Are you okay? I don't think that's okay. Okay, that is weird. So basically, we are playing Noob Train. It's a game on Roblox where it says noobs on the, I think, left side, and walk speed is 16, 0 noobs though, jump power is 50, and then it says character size. Oh god! Hello mister, guys, if you're a human right here and you see a tall rat, this would be terrifying. I'm gonna jump on this person. One thing, I can change my jump power. Why don't I do 100? Whoa! Okay, nope, we're changing that back to 50. No, not 550, 50. Guys, it won't let me. Oh my god. No. 50. Oh my god. 50. No. Come on. There. 50. Okay. So, basically we're playing Noob Train. It's a fun little game where you can do whatever you want. I'm sorry if you can hear anything because I want to talk over it, but so why don't we do some noobs? Why don't we spawn at least 20? Oh my god, this game is so laggy. Okay, 20. Oh my god! The noobs, I think oh my god, guys. What the heck? Character size. Okay, a height, I think we're gonna shrink down. We're gonna shrink our height down. And yep, this is a rat. Okay, so we are the little noobs, and why don't we just make our height? And this is pretty normal. Yeah, I mean I'm a little bit taller than normal, but this is normal. So okay, we got our noobs over here. So what is our wall speed? Why don't we change it to 40 right now? No, that's 400. This game is really weird. Okay, walk speed 40. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. So basically we got our noobs, and why don't we make more noobs? Why don't we make 50? What is wrong with this game? Okay, there, 50. Holy crap! They already spawned, and then there's 50 noobs. They're still going. They're still going. Look at those champs. They're even spawning even more. This is 50 noobs. 1, 2, 3. 1 billion years later. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's only 12 noobs. Just kidding. Okay. So I'm assuming these are ramps for like speed, but we don't want that right now. What we really want is to do this. What? 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 There's 50 noobs that are so skinny. We're gonna chase this person. We're coming for you, buddy. Imagine you see rats with 50 noobs. Oh my god. This is so weird. We're gonna... Oh my god, the noobs are flying! The noobs are flying! Oh my god, this is confusing. Okay, well, guys, I'm getting bored. Why don't we do 100 noobs? Oh god. Okay, why don't we make our size like this? Oh god, what did this do? He's a big chungus. He's a big chunky boy. He's a big chungus. Oh my god, he's getting squished by noobs. He's a big chungus. I'm not, okay. I don't want to get copyrighted, but holy smokes. Look at, oh god. Look at this. I have made the world's best noobs tower. I made a ladder. Oh no, guys, it's lagging my phone. Come on, phone, you can keep up. You can keep up. Okay, guys, I don't think we're gonna. Okay, there. But look at that. That is terrifying. Why don't I make the character size head is gonna be humongous? Holy crap! That's terrifying. Why don't we make it everything but the head? The height is gonna be like this. Oh, I feel like one of those people on like weightlifting simulators where they get buff and then their head turns tiny and then they lift weights and their body gets bigger. And this is what it feels like because these people, guys, I'm getting even more bored. Why don't we spawn in 1,000 noobs? Oh god, this is gonna break my game. This is gonna break my game. Look at them. They're already spawning so much that they can't even know. They don't even know what they're doing. Okay, walk speed is 40. We need to change this to like, I don't know. We're gonna change our size. Everything is gonna be big. Height. Oh my god, we're ginormous noobs. Yep, we're ginormous noobs. You wanna know what I think would be funnier? If our head was the size of a penny. Oh my god. You can barely see my head, but you can see the noobs' heads. Okay, this is weird. If you guys are playing this game and you see this, then you guys probably know if I don't know if it's laggy for other people because there's like 100 noobs. And why don't we make us like this? There. It's where the side oh my god! Yep, we're gonna be the noobs. This is hurting my eyes. I picture this as a stick bug. This is like a terrible stick bug. 100 walk speed. No. 100. Yeah, we're gonna be stomping over you. If you're this person, guys, I would recommend leaving the game right now because there's a billion noobs. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. It's just that the noobs are attacking you. I'm sorry. He's running. He's like, oh my god. He's like, oh my god. There's like a billion noobs circling me. What will I do? Oh my god. This is funny. Okay, it's like, oh my god. This is terrifying. Let these boys go. Imagine, I can't stop laughing about this. Oh my god, there's even more over here. There's 1,000 noobs. And why don't you go step on this person? We're gonna go step on this person too. I'm sorry. I am sorry that I'm breaking everybody's games, but I'm very, very sorry. This skinny miniature rat that has a penny as a head and his neck is stretched with noobs attacking it is very, very not sorry. It's a stickman rat. Oh, that guy lost the game. He's like, you know what? I'm losing the game. This is too late. And oh my god, you're gonna get even squished almost even more. Yeah, come here. Dance on the rat. The rat is gonna dance. Oh my god, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to get out of here. I think the FBI is chasing me. Oh god, run! We gotta run. Our noobs is still all the way back there. Okay, you know what? I'm getting tired of this. 10,000 noobs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Oh god. Guys. Oh god. Oh god. babies. We're gonna be babies. We're gonna be babies. We're gonna be miniature baby noobs. Okay, yep, we're baby noobs. And our wallpower is gonna be 50. Not 500, 50. Hey! Everybody line up right here. Everybody line up right here. Everybody line up right here. 10,000 noobs. Okay, we can't see it. We can't see this. We gotta go. Woo! There we go. We are these people. I don't know. Okay, everybody. Oh my God! Now we can see everybody. Hey, you, Mister. You come with us. You're coming with us. Head is gonna be full. You're coming with us. Dance on the noobs. The man is getting danced on. Dance. No, I'm getting squished, guys. Oh God, help me. Oh God, okay. Attack. Nobody's even using noobs. Like, I'll find that funny. Attack the person. Attack him. Gee, he left the game. He left the game, mister. Are you okay, mister? Oh God. Well, his particles is getting stepped on by stickman noobs that have humongous heads. I'm sorry, man. My dad made it. I really didn't need it. Guys, we're gonna fit through here, okay? Everybody, oh God, no, stop kissing me. Stop kissing me. No, stop, get away. Oh my God, wait, our wallpower is gonna be, wait. 9,000. I'm like, I'm going so high, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Power, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, we're going so fast. I don't even know what Martin News is taking over the whole entire place. Oh God. Guys. Guys. Oh God, I forgot I had the walk speed. Okay guys, that was a really fun place. We can play some more and we're gonna do even more, hopefully. And so yeah, hopefully this person doesn't do what I did. Kids, tall person, please. Oh God, no, my character's lying. But please, never do whatever. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Mr. Never do what I did. Your neck is what? Okay, guys. Also, kids, never put a red hole through your whole entire head. That's just bad. That's just bad parenting. And you, mister, never do what I just did either, okay? You like motorcycles? Yes, I do. I love motorcycles. They smell like pasta. Hey, no. They smell like pasta. Yes, they smell like pasta and I'd like to eat them. Okay, he eats. Oh God. Mister? Oh God. Do you eat motorcycles that taste like pasta? Oh God. Okay. Okay, that's it for this video. And I hope. And well, before we do anything, we're gonna shrink our size to very little, and well, we're gonna do this one more time. Oh wait, sorry guys. And before I leave, guys, we're gonna do the old classic smiley face. We're gonna do our old classic smiley face. Guys, we're gonna do the smiley face at the end of every video. So yeah, bye. How do I say bye?